Hey guys, we're over here in Milton today, and the gentleman, Mr. Walbrath, is going to get a GAF Gold Pledge. Best roof you can buy, best roof roofers install it. We are Master Elite certified with GAF. As you can see, it's all GAF products. Here in the next couple of days, I'd love to show this stuff to you as we're putting it on this gorgeous home here. Like I said, in Milton, Florida, in the Panhandle, and we are here today ready to roof. Roof day here in Pensacola. Just wanted to show you guys what we're doing here. As you can see, all the decking has been re-nailed here on this house in northern Florida. That's per code. You can see the underlayment we've got. It's actually a nice water shield or a peeling stick. Where some kind of beam or change. But you can see here where we've also bull mastiff around the penetration points. So we just got started on this roof this morning and ran into some termite damage over here. So we've got that jerked up, wood taken up, and get that replaced. As you can see, we haven't gotten over here. We haven't re-nailed this decking. You can see where our guys stopped right here. All the decking gets re-nailed. Really good job on that. As you can see, we're roof day, build day today. I just wanted to show you guys a few things, some code things, like the re-nailing of the decking here, 4-inch. You can see our guys done a really good job to get all this re-nailed, re-nailed off. This is a GAF Storm Guard. It's an excellent product. It's really thick. I don't know how many mils, but several mils there thick. Underlayment. Just creates a nice water barrier. Should you ever have any kind of leaking issues to these fantastic GAF shingles you see down there, is what we're installing. The ice and water shield, like I said, we are building a GAF pledge roof. I believe we're actually building this roof to be a gold pledge roof, because we do have the peel and stick Storm Guard underlayment with GAF. A silver pledge roof would be a felt buster from GAF underlayment. Like I was saying, we need 5 products to build, 4 to 5 products to build these pledge roofs. And we have those with the field shingles, this nice underlayment that you're seeing here, this Storm Guard. We have it with our ridge vent that we're going to be putting on here that is not installed yet, but we will put that down. Actually, it's going to go right in here where the ridge is cut open. And we've got a GAF Pro Start. Which is what we're putting on down there on that first line down there. This is the really nasty, sticky, chewy stuff that you don't want on you, because it will not come off. Not very good for anything other than probably creating a nice bed for the shingles to lay on here. That GAF Pro Start. Just really bedded into the deck, guys. Down accompanied by the new drip edge. That it's hard to see the nails there, but I'm sure, I know that it was nailed every 4 inches because I saw it. I just have to go back over somewhere and show you guys that video as well. But GAF Pro Start, we got GAF HDC, giving unlimited wind. And what I mean by that is exactly that, 100 mile an hour, 102 mile an hour wind. It's going to be a Cat 5 build roof. That's the Elevate way. Just such a better roof, way to do a roof. And as you can see here, it's almost overkill with the way that the drip edge is nailed down every 2-3 inches. It's actually 4 on code, but it looks like we got a little bit happy here. But I can tell you guys the reason why this is nailed down so much and so good, and why we put that full mastiff there, is because this is really where, I mean, I can't lift this up. I need a crane to tear that off. And then put full mastiff in with our GAF starter strip that you see here. That has a nice glue line or adhesive strip that's activated by the sunlight. This is just a really good way. And finally, it's going to be just a GAF Filler Ridge. This is actually a lifetime shingle made for a lifetime, or I'm sorry, a lifetime cap made for a lifetime shingle. Some people will put a 3-tab, 20-year, 25-year product that is not made for that and use it in this application. They'll put a 20-year product on a lifetime product. Don't know why, doesn't make sense to me, but I'm not a smart man. But I do know to use Silla Ridge, HD, Z's. I know to use Ridge Vent, Ice and Water Seal Storm Guard, and Pro Start. And those are the best roof money can buy.